I don't know. Do you think all of these will fit in the truck? Unfortunately, so this video didn't go as planned. In this video, we're going to be cleaning out the shop a little bit, and one of the biggest things I got to do is take a whole bunch of cans back with the Toyota. So we're going to see how many we can cram into the bed of this, and I might have to hook up my trailer and take a road trip to scrap those. I'm just trying to get all this stuff pushed back into this back room, but I've had like 3 years of cans stacked up, or 2 years of cans, and I just got to get rid of them. I've just been waiting to take them back when I got my truck back, but it's been 15 months now, and it was only supposed to take 2 months, so now I'm stuck with a bunch of cans, and they just kept piling up, and I am sick of it. So gotta get some more storage space back here, and hopefully get more space in the shop in doing so, and then maybe down the line get some shelves and stuff. So yeah, let's see how many we can fit in here. It's not a whole lot of room in here, but it's also just going to get rid of some of this junk, and with shelves I can obviously stack stuff up here and hopefully get it somewhat of a usable space. It's literally just been stocked full of cans, and I have a mower back there that I don't use, and some other stuff I can't even see back there from here, so there might be some treasures in there I forgot about. Gonna take my tire out to make some room. Hopefully don't get flat. I don't know. Do you think all of these will fit in the truck? Maybe, maybe not. I also have one big bag up there too, so this is gonna be cutting it close. I don't know if it'll fit. They're all the way back there. I'm actually gonna throw the giant bag in first. That way, if I had to pack the smaller ones around it, it might make it a little easier. Well, the bottom of that bag busted, so got one more left, so let's see if we can just get this hammered out. I gotta kind of hurry too, because they close at 2 today instead of 5 like the website said, so I'm not gonna film too much, just gonna rush and see if I can pack this all in. Another annoying thing about Montana is you don't do the can deposit thing, so they don't even care if they're crushed or whole. So if I knew that, I would have just crushed all of them, and they definitely would have fit. This is so close, but I don't know if I don't think it's all gonna fit. But I'm gonna try to just compress it the best I can. I'm gonna like jam the tailgate up. Probably put a couple in there and see what happens. Look at that, garbage compactor. Still got 3 bags in this bigger one. I might take a sledgehammer and push it in or something. I'm determined now because we're so close. You need 2 hands for this one. Well, with a little persuasion, I got all of them in but one. So I'm just gonna put that in the front seat with me, because I'm not bringing my dog with me today because it is gonna be too hot. No AC in this truck. So comment below now how many pounds of cans you think this is, and then we'll find out once we hit the scale. Alright, got it all loaded up. Literally had to smash this down. Didn't break the glass, thankfully. Drink Renewal Rain if you haven't seen them yet. New Christian company, flavored water, sparkling water. We got one up here, and yeah, let's see how many pounds we get. I gotta kind of hurry because it is over an hour away, and there's construction on the way on top of it, so let's get scooting. Quick stereo install. Get my drink. Should try this, pretty good. Good to go. 120 pounds of cans and 48 bucks. It's only point, so 40 cents a pound. They don't do like the canned stuff we do in other states with the deposit, so just poundage. Anyways, I'm gonna get myself some food while we're out here in the city and go home. Alright, now let's try to make it home. Alright, made it back. Fortunately, the storm isn't hitting where I live, so I just had to drive through it a little bit. So now I'm going to try to get this a little more organized, clean it up. There's just junk everywhere from mice and stuff. I also got mice repellent and stuff like that, but clean this out, maybe take those cabinets off. I got to find some shelves, maybe on Marketplace or something, because I don't really have the money to buy them new, but we'll see. But I'll probably start that project tomorrow because I got a guy coming for parts here shortly. So I'll see you in the morning. All right, it's the next day. Let's tear into this. I forget what's in this box. Maybe an oil pan or something. Let's see. Oh yeah, oil pan. How do I remember that? I think that was off a junk car. I don't remember. But I'm gonna get all this stuff out, and then I always got to be in the way. Get all this stuff out. I'm not going to film too much of the cleaning part because I'm going to be wearing gloves and it's gross. So, yeah. I'll just show you what happens afterwards. So much cleaner in here now, but unfortunately, that's bolted to the wall. That's bolted to the wall. And that is bolted to the wall. I don't know why. I got rid of this shelf. The only thing that wasn't bolted to the wall was that metal shelf down there. And I can't remove that, just unbolt it because there's wires going up through it, like on this side of it, and then it goes back through, which is really ghetto. So unfortunately, that's putting a big screeching halt to my plan because I gotta talk to my landlord about pulling that out. I know they're gonna let me take the stuff out, but I'm gonna have them pull the wire out because I ain't touching that because that's sketchy. I'll touch car wiring, but not house wiring because I don't want to fry this place, especially because I don't own it. So. Yeah, so yeah, we'll be waiting to get that done, I guess, now, unfortunately. But at least it gives me time to get shelves and, yeah, I guess come up with a game plan. I gotta find some used shelves somewhere. Yeah. But for now, I'm gonna clean the rest of this, like, with a pine saw and stuff, and then put all the junk in here for now. And I guess I'll just have to pull it back out. And I don't even know. It's kind of a useless video if I am halted now because I'm gonna have to put stuff in there, and then if they come soon, I'm gonna have to drag it all back out so they can get to that wire, and so we have room to drop that cabinet off the wall. So the floor is all clean. It smells good in here now. I only put stuff in here with wheels so I can just yank it out real quick when the time comes to pull that shelf out. But yeah, anyways, like all that. Clean some of that up, move some sets of tires over here, but yeah, for now I'm basically stuck in the same spot as I was until you can get that stuff in there moved. What I might do next week or something, I'm not going to video it because this is really boring, but I might clean off those shelves and stack stuff and whatever, and then turn that into basically another use of shelves to put boxes on. I've got to get more totes, but they'll clean up this stuff a little bit more as well, and free up more space. I gotta get this ready for winter because I usually like to have enough room for 3 cars in here, or at least keep my Civic over here and be able to move it so I can pull in like the square body if I have to work on it or something because it's so long. Another irritating thing is since I don't have my new truck back that I've been waiting on, I have a bunch of stuff here just waiting to go in the truck, so I just have nowhere to put it. It's just been floating around. I keep having to move it. So yeah, there's stuff over here for my truck if you can piece it together, but brand new stuff, used stuff, all the above. So man, it's just My OCD goes wild up in here. Anyways, enough talking. I'm gonna wrap the video up here because obviously can't really do much more, unfortunately. So this video didn't go as planned, but if you did like the video, I appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the builds and projects, and follow my Instagram, Conjo_brothers, for more content on there, sneak peeks and all that stuff. I also do giveaways. I did one while making this video, so if you missed out on that one, gotta follow my Instagram, stay up to date on my story and whatnot. At least we were able to get all those cans into my truck, into the scrapyard, because that gave me a ton more space back there. So it was something good came from this video. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one, and I appreciate you watching.